Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, April 23rd. We got just a couple economic news releases scheduled for today, but they are important ones. And we'll start off the day with the Market Flash PMI report. So, basically, what this is called the Purchasers Merchandising Index, and for the month of April. So we had a 54.6 index rating, and anything above 50% is considered expansion. Anything below that is contraction. So that was a decent number back in March, and it came in for April of 52. So we showed some slowing down there. We do have to keep an eye on this. However, this is shows kind of where the economy is, so it's an important index for us to review. And but there's a lot of facets out there that are kind of showing some slowdown in the economy, which can kind of worry the investors. And obviously, we want to keep an eye on this. Now we also have the housing numbers. So we've got the FHFA home price index for the month of February, and we had a 6.7% appreciation growth for January for year-over-year growth, and then for February it jumped up to 7.1. So great numbers right there. So we showed some home prices going up in value, which everybody likes to see. Now we also have the new home sales for the month of March, and we had 411,000 new home sales back in February, and we figured it kind of climbed to 421, and actually somewhere in between, about 417. Now this number can be a little deceiving, primarily because if you're out looking for homes, you probably already know that there's lack of inventory. So we need more homes out there. So this is not a bad. We're getting strong numbers here, but due to the lack of inventory, we only have what's out there available, so we can only deal with what we have. So unfortunately, the headline news and the media is going to probably play out that things are slowing down, things aren't so great on there, but the reality is we lack inventory out there. So if we had more homes for sale, we probably would have a lot more sales. Now let's go over and take a look at the headline news. And currently the stock market's up a bit today. A lot of it has to do with there's a bit of a rally going on in the euro bonds. As we've discussed before, there's been kind of some concerns with Spain as well as Italy. But even they're having some good routes in there. And of course, some earnings reports coming out from the corporations out there, like Netflix was having some good numbers exceeding their expectations. So that's kind of driving a nice low rally in the stock market. So let's see how this is affecting the bond market and where interest rates are moving. Currently, we're down about 9 basis points for the day, but however, look at where we started at, where the red candle where it's beginning up at the very top there. We started off about 15 basis points higher, and then we're down about 9. So currently, we're actually about 6 basis points higher than where we left off yesterday. So a decent number. Again, we're testing the ceiling, and we're kind of going this sideways pattern here, so we're not really getting a whole lot of changes or fluctuations in the interest rate. So pricing's about the same currently where we left off yesterday and pretty much where we were last week. So we're not getting a whole lot of difference in the pricing for the past week or so in terms of interest rates. All right, folks, we'll have to wait and see what tomorrow brings. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.